Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your weekly Bitcoin analysis for the week of Monday, July 6, 2026. We had a significant sell signal a couple of weeks ago. We'd been here before when we closed below this 8.5, 9-year channel bottom that is this week at 63,737. We did that about a month and a half ago, but a couple of weeks ago by a more convincing margin that's put this market on its heels, 49,363 in reach over the next month or two. And I do think longer term, there's nothing to say that we can't unwind all the way back to this sort of significant high from 2017 and low from 2022 that all comes together in the mid to upper 10,000 region. I do see this as in reach. The timing of that is really next to impossible. With heightened volatility, this could be by the end of the year. It could also take by this point next year. Difficult to assess, but I see no compelling reason to be long Bitcoin below 63,737, expecting 49,363 over the next 1 to 2 months, and over the next full year, 15,000 and 19,000 is likely. Working our way up from here, we do. Now I've opened up this chart, and you can see that long-term channel bottom at 63,737. There is this descending channel top at 66,209. And so if we're looking for a rejection of this long-term sell signal, as I've already mentioned, and in fact, something that would put this market in the bullish column as we move through the rest of July and into August, would be indeed a settlement above 66,209. I would then no longer be anticipating the possibility of 15 to 19,000 over the next full year, but rather I would expect, well, if we close above 66,209, I would expect this could be a 3 to 5 week high volatility rally. This could also take a couple of months. 81,838 would be expected with a settlement above 66,209 at the end of this week. 81,838 is a significant pivot point through the rest of the year. Like 66,209 is a significant pivot point into late July, early August. 81,838 is a significant upside pivot point through the rest of the year and even into early next. If we close above this formation, I would expect a revisit of this 122, 124,000 region. This could be a 3 to 5 month rally following a settlement above 81,838. But until then, we remain heavy through the rest of the year below 63,737, 49,361 likely by the end of August or sooner, and over the next full year or sooner, 15 to 19,000. I'm going to leave it at that for this particular Wicked Stocks video analysis on Bitcoin. I'll be back next week with another weekly edition. You have a great week.